can't talk tonight. Go fight a big alright.
Maximum Styles Recording and Publishing proudly presents to you the Black Child Salute Initiative, Blankets for Grannies, where we reach out and express our love and gratitude for the mothers and grandmothers within the communities. We have provided them with blankets to get them throughout the cold seasons. This is one of our many initiatives that inspires humanity's work and flies the Maximum Styles banner even higher. From Kimberley to Sandton and now in Tembisa. So earlier on, the guys had a blanket for grannies, and sitting right beside me is Fruity Star's granny, Ugogo Emily. I just want to ask you how you feel about your grandson, Fruity Star, doing all this initiative for blankets for grannies.
I can't even mention how I felt, how proud I felt about seeing him doing what he did for the grannies that I have been not seeing for such a long time. But for what he did, it was very, very touching. I thanked God for giving my daughter the son that Fruity Star is. The day was wonderful. We were all happy. All the grannies were happy. We were shaking when they were playing these drums of theirs. The grannies, some of them stood up and shook their bodies. So it was a very fruitful and enjoyable and a day to be remembered. We're all not going to forget the day that this day was.
Sitting right beside me is Fruity's mom, Mankosi. How was your day, Mom?
The day was wonderful. We had grannies around the house. They all got their blankets. They were so happy. And they even told Mfana that this is the first time in their entire life having such an occasion. May the Lord keep you and continue doing what you are doing for the community. Thank you.
I just wanted to ask about the blankets for grannies. Why did you guys do that? What was the reason and the idea of how you guys came about doing the blankets for grannies? And how many grannies did you guys look into covering up?
The blankets for grannies is basically just appreciating our elders, our mothers, our grannies, and that is the main reason why we're actually having it. Now we're having it on Women's Month, because it's basically just saying thank you to our mothers, thank you to our grannies. It's an initiative that we started, about 2 years ago. This is the second year, of us doing it. We started it in Kimberley, and now we are in Tembisa. We're gonna take it, to other places like Yoval. So the initiative is called Black Child Salute. So we're basically just saying, Black child, you can do it and you can make it big, but don't forget where you come from, which is your own community.
We just dropped an album called High Styles. It is a mishmash I'm talking jazz, R&B, kwaito, dubstep, reggae, dancehall, raga. But most importantly, the flag that we're flying high is Mzansi dancehall and reggae in the album.
You can find it on all your online worldwide stores like your Spotify, your iTunes, your Amazon, Google Play, everywhere. And then you can also find it at your music retail stores basically. So it's going to be everywhere, and we'll soon be at your area, you know, for autographs, signing the CDs. So we soon at your area, be ready for us. Pepsi and Fruity Star will be everywhere, basically just promoting the album. But in terms of buying it, you can find it at every retail store and online stores as well, you know, worldwide. You can.
My girl, take it further. Now when you jump on turn up, girl, you a murder. Now when the rest of them, my girl, you a champion. Girl, one it, let me push it. Girl, set up on me, back it up, juke it. Girl, one it, push it. Girl, set up on me, back it up, juke it. Girl, set up on me, put it like, hey. Come girl, one it, put me, put it like, hey. I want you like, hey. You love me like, hey. Let's do it like,
Hi guys, so here at the MSR Winter Picnic, and right beside me is Fiso,
also known as SFS. Yo, shout out to Maximum Styles Record for initiating such a thing. I think for Amachita, it was to anchor back us, you know, to give love back us. I think that's how it came about. I mean, I was only called today just to push Amachita and assist. But I just want to shout out to them, Guti. Right now, they must carry on with it, because for Itembi, I think it means a lot, because so that's what I think of the whole concept and everything. Yeah.
still here at the MSR Winter Picnic, and right beside me is Nthabiseng, the PR and the booking manager. So I'm just going to ask her a few questions.
There's the Black Child Salute thing. So Pepsi had a dream that he needs to thank all the grannies in his streets. So we said, why not do it for Fruity, because it's his birthday, so he can also contribute blankets in his street. And then we went along. It was a good planning, because as you can see, it went well. We gave the grannies, and the grannies were very grateful. They were happy, they were crying, they were singing. Some even requested for our artists to perform for them because they loved them.
Yo me so cool, so color yo me popa. When I no got talking Babylon. Ooh, so color and papa. When I was straight vibing Babylon. Ooh, so color yo me popa. When I no got talking Babylon. Ooh, so color and papa.
Hi guys, we're still here at the MSR Winter Picnic, and right beside me is AV, the booking agent.
I think it was a beautiful event. I think it's wonderful to see what MSR is doing for the elderly, in specific this time for this occasion. It was heartwarming to see all the goggles come through and have a good time of fellowship with us and with the artists. As much as we are young, they can still adapt.
Shall I give me one more stand by Sammy? It's no time to look cool. Yeah. It's no time to look cool.
Maximum Spirit, we are here in Tembisa. We are giving Abo Kreni my blanket, and we are proper. We married. So next time we are in Val to Botanis around. High Styles is out. High Styles is out, baby.
Let me see. Competition then we have some harder now. Maximum style we get to know. We don't want the news every night and every day right now. Look at my town. Competition done, everything is shut down.